So when we do forward bay parking, it's recommended you need to be away from the bay.
Yeah.
So because we have bays available in our right and so many bays there, we don't need to do anything else.
Okay, yeah.
Just we're going to get into reference point.
Yeah.
Okay. Go back to gear number 1, sir. Go tiny bit of forward. Bit more, bit more, bit more. Bit more. Tiny bit. Pause now.
Yep.
Can you see that line, white line?
Yep.
Where is this line meeting you?
Roughly the front tyre or the wing mirror, I think.
For me, it's still meeting with the handle.
Right.
Now sit back and then. So don't look in that angle, nah?
Yeah.
Look that angle.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, at this point, what you do is we're going to go in the same bay.
Yeah.
We are going to land ourselves into
The same bay.
Same bay. So in here, what do? We apply right indicator.
Yeah.
We check the right blind spot. Right is there. Yeah. And we start going full lock. Full lock, yeah.
Yep.
Check right blind spot again if in case somebody may missed it. And I'll look for ahead when the car looks pretty straight. Look at the opposite side of the base. What do you think? A bit more?
No.
Stop here, yeah. And at this point, yeah, be straight and we go a little bit forward. And we pause the car.
Yeah.
How do you know you're within? I mean, you're not touching the car front of you.
Well, normally, like I think you said last time, below the wing mirror,
Below,
if you see the line,
it's spot on, yeah.
Yeah.
Neutral. And we go. Let's check the camera. Wow.
Yeah, not bad.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's good. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Do me a favor.